When you look at a brand name you don't recognize, you're not going to spend $150. But let me tell you something. The quality on this headset is undeniable. First, the design is perfect. It's almost like it was form-fitted to mold into your ear. And I know everyone has different shaped ears, so I'm shocked at how snug it is. But as far as your ear canal, it comes with 4 different sizes of ear caps, 2 of both medium and large, so 6 in total. Now, functionality-wise, everything is just like other Bluetooth headphones. It connects to the phone really easy, and the controls are the same, but the main value is the sound quality, which is undeniable. Not only that, it has ANC mode, which is active noise cancellation, and it's shocking how much white noise there is when you're listening to music. I mean, I wish I could let you listen to what I'm hearing, and when you turned it on, it makes a world of a difference. As for the mic quality, take a listen. And now I am transferring this over. This is the test. You are now hearing what I'm saying through the headphones. No filters, no plugins. This is a test. Testing 1 2 1 2. Overall, the only flaws I would say that's with these headphones is the mic quality, which sounded a little echoey, and then the battery capacity on the case, which I've seen other headphones that have way higher battery capacity. So overall, the question is whether or not you're going to pay this amount of money for these headphones. If you want the best sound quality, I would say this is a contender.